Hi friends, this sneak peek will show you how easy it is to quickly customize any website template purchased from the 640 Marketing Store. To get started, let's visit the design section of your site's settings. Here you'll see a variety of options, and today we're going to focus on your fonts and colors. So let's start with fonts. Here you'll see that Squarespace automatically populates a variety of options for you. And if you scroll to the end, you'll find the custom fonts selected for your specific template. Here on this page, you'll see I have the headings and the paragraph styles outlined for you. And for demonstration purposes, let's go ahead and click headings and adjust the font family. So here you'll see a variety of fonts that are available for you, or you can search directly in the search bar for whatever font you like. Once you select the font, you'll see it automatically adjusts all of the styles associated with that heading. So let's go ahead and cancel to return back to our original font styles. And again, you can do the same thing with your paragraph styles and with a variety of different font styles throughout your website. Next, let's go to colors. Here you'll see when you select colors, it automatically opens up your color palette. And if you click edit, you can choose whatever color you would like. So for example, this template includes a red accent color that's used for the linked text as well as different accents throughout the site. And let's say, for example, instead of the red, we want to change that to blue. So here you'll see by dragging that over, it automatically adjusted to blue. If you have a specific brand color code that you would like to use, simply enter it here. So here you'll see automatically adjusted that text link. It had automatically adjusted your button colors and all of your site elements throughout the site. So let's go back to the original color palette and you'll see that automatically adjusted back. So one other quick thing I wanted to show you is how easy it is to adjust the page within your Squarespace site. So choose any page that you'd like to update and select edit. And then now you can choose any text area and adjust it as you like. So let's just say change text. And here you can also bold, italicize, underline, whatever you'd like to do, you can do just about. You can change your alignments, you can change your heading styles, whatever your preferences are. And you can also make this into a quote. You can do all different types of things. So that's pretty much your basic editor and gives you a variety of options. Another thing you can do is you can adjust your page layout. So for example, let's say I want this banner to be below. So let's just move this arrow and you'll see now that this heading section is up top and the banner is below it. If I want to return it, I just simply choose the arrow and it automatically adjusts. If you click on this little edit icon, it will open up your different formatting options for that section. You can change the background image, you can adjust it to a color. So say for example, I don't want a picture, I just want to have it as a background color. So then you can come here and you can choose whatever color you would like and it automatically adjusts based off of what your color palette is for your website. So I'm going to go ahead and discard changes and that way we return to your original site settings. So I hope you have a great day and I hope you found this helpful. Feel free to email me if you have any questions. You can email me at mdavis@640marketing.com and enjoy your day. Thanks for watching.